Grand Design's first Ram ProMaster van, Lineage LVP1 Full Tour. This is the van everyone has been waiting for. Grand Design, one of the most respected names in premium RVs, has officially entered the campervan world. And they didn't do it quietly. What you're looking at is the Lineage LVP1, Grand Design's very first van built on the Ram ProMaster platform. A bold move, a clean sheet design, and potentially a game-changer in the compact luxury van segment. Today, we're taking a full cinematic tour of the Lineage LVP1, inside, outside, on the road, and in real-world use. We'll break down what makes it special, where it shines, and where it still has room to grow. So if you've been wondering whether Grand Design's first van lives up to the hype, stay with me. This one is worth your time. Exterior design. At first glance, the Lineage LVP1 feels unmistakably Grand Design. The van is built on the Ram ProMaster chassis, chosen for its wide stance, flat floor, and front-wheel drive layout, perfect for maximizing interior space and ease of entry. From the outside, the design is clean, modern, and intentionally understated. No unnecessary graphics, no visual clutter. Just a confident, premium look that feels more luxury expedition van than flashy camper. The high roof profile provides generous headroom inside, while the smooth body lines help with aerodynamics and highway stability. You'll also notice the attention to build quality. Tight panel gaps, flush-mounted components, and well-integrated exterior features. This is a van designed to look just as comfortable pulling into a national park as it does parking in an upscale city neighborhood. Road presence is strong, but not aggressive. It feels balanced, composed, and purpose-built, exactly what you want from a modern touring van. Interior and living space. Step inside the Lineage LVP1 and the first thing you notice is space. Thanks to the ProMaster's wide-body design, Grand Design has created an interior that feels open, airy, and surprisingly residential for a van of this size. The lounge area is thoughtfully laid out, offering comfortable seating with high-quality upholstery and supportive cushioning. Large windows bring in natural light, making the space feel bright during the day and cozy at night. Materials are where Grand Design really flexes its experience. Soft touch surfaces, premium cabinetry, and a neutral color palette give the interior a refined, modern feel. Nothing feels cheap, nothing feels rushed. This is a space designed not just for weekends, but for real travel, long stays, and everyday comfort. Whether you're relaxing after a drive or working remotely on the road, the Lineage LVP1 feels like a calm, well-designed living environment. Kitchen, bedroom, and bathroom. The kitchen is compact but extremely well executed. You get a modern cooktop, a deep sink, and smart storage solutions that make the most of every inch. Counter space is well planned, and everything feels intuitive to use, even in a tight footprint. Appliances are chosen for efficiency and reliability, making this kitchen equally suited for quick meals or longer off-grid stays. Moving to the sleeping area, Grand Design focuses on comfort and usability. The bed layout is practical, with a supportive mattress and clever surrounding storage. This is a space designed for real rest, not just an emergency overnight stop. The bathroom setup continues the theme of smart design. Clean, modern, and efficient, it offers a functional shower and toilet without overwhelming the van's layout. It's compact, yes, but thoughtfully engineered to feel usable rather than cramped. Altogether, the kitchen, bedroom, and bathroom create a complete living solution that feels balanced and livable. Performance and driving experience. On the road, the Lineage LVP1 feels exactly how a premium touring van should. The Ram ProMaster platform delivers a smooth, predictable driving experience. Front-wheel drive helps keep the van stable, especially in poor weather or uneven terrain. Steering is light, visibility is excellent, and the van feels easy to maneuver, even for drivers new to camper vans. Long highway drives are comfortable, with stable tracking and reduced fatigue. In city environments, the van's manageable size makes parking and tight streets far less stressful than larger motorhomes. This is a vehicle designed for real travel, long distances, varied terrain, and everyday usability. Technology and smart features. Technology inside the Lineage LVP1 is modern, clean, and functional. The cockpit features a user-friendly infotainment system, digital displays, and smart connectivity options. Everything is placed where you expect it to be, reducing distraction while driving. Inside the living space, smart control systems allow you to manage lighting, power, and climate with ease. This integration makes day-to-day living simpler and more efficient, especially for off-grid adventures. Grand Design's approach here is refreshingly practical. Technology enhances the experience without overcomplicating it. Pros and cons. Let's talk honestly. Pros. The build quality is excellent, especially for a first-generation van. The interior feels premium, calm, and well thought out. Driving comfort is strong, making it suitable for long-distance touring. Grand Design's design philosophy clearly translates well into the van world. Cons. As a first model, some buyers may want to see long-term reliability feedback. Storage, while smartly designed, is still limited by van size. Pricing may place it firmly in the premium segment, limiting accessibility for some buyers. Overall, the positives clearly outweigh the negatives. The Lineage LVP1 is more than just Grand Design's first van, it's a strong statement of intent. This isn't a rushed entry into the market. It's a carefully engineered, thoughtfully designed camper van that brings Grand Design's reputation for quality into a smaller, more agile format. If you're looking for a premium touring van that balances comfort, drivability, and smart design, the Lineage LVP1 absolutely deserves your attention. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Would you choose this over a Sprinter-based van? Is the Ram ProMaster platform a win or a compromise for you? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this full tour, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more in-depth motorhome and campervan content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.